Hey guys, welcome to this van tour of our latest epic conversion in this VW Crafter. It's a medium wheelbase and it's a 4-berth. Let's check it out inside. So starting at the front of the van, there's a twin passenger seat which is on a swivel, and we've got a passenger seat table here which can also move outside the van, and there's a second mounting point on the outside of this box. So if you're under the awning on your camping seats, you can sort of have a dining table outside as well. Our shower cubicle has a nice 45-degree angle that matches the seat as well to cut down the bottleneck inside the gangway. If you look inside the shower cubicle, they've got white gloss walls, a full-length mirror with a couple of coat hooks for your towels or dressing gowns, a cubby hole leading into the parcel shelf. It's got a light and a fan for ventilation, which is switched on with this switch up here. A couple of hanging solutions, so you can turn this into a drying area for your wet gear. And there's a Nature's Head composting toilet, which is removable, and a heat vent in the bottom corner so that you can dry out loads of things and make sure it doesn't stay damp in the shower cubicle. Moving into the kitchen area, we've got a nice big kitchen worktop space with an insert over your sink so you can have maximum prep area. You've got a nice hose on your sink here and normal mixer tap, and then you've got a twin induction hob here. As everything in this van is gasless, so it's an induction hob, and up top here you've got a microwave as well. You've got a bit of storage up here, and then on the end of this overhead cupboard you've got a nice open shelf and a couple of control panels to monitor your battery system and also your Truma combi boiler. The actual unit, you've got a lovely big cutlery drawer and chopping boards drawer, and all of these are on really nice soft close hinges. Pots and pans. Your Truma combi boiler is in this bottom compartment, and that's the diesel variant. So it runs off of the fuel tank in your vehicle. You haven't got to worry about finding any LPG points. Cupboard here is for storage for cleaning products, and under the sink you can see a nice big domestic sink there. And you've got another pots and pans drawer under here. The dining table is hidden away inside the garage wall. That pulls out and produces a nice oak table. And you've also got a small little drawer just here with a 50-litre Dometic compressor fridge. And then the seat that I'm sitting on is also converted into a 4th belted seat. So you can see hidden away in here is the Agouti collapsible folding seat. Really low profile, but this is also removable as well. If you want to have this as additional storage, you can remove the seat, or if you're going to be using it, it's nicely stowed away. You've got additional storage in this second box seat and a double socket outlet for your 240-volt appliances. The electrics run a 3000-watt Victron Multi Plus inverter, so you can run your induction hob, your microwave and various other electrical appliances from inside the van. Up here you've got a little nice oak shelf with a couple of USB sockets, carbon monoxide alarm, and then you've got 3 more overhead cupboards for your clothes and other bits of storage. We've also got hidden in the slatted oak ceiling a hatch which leads into the second floor, which is the pop top. So we're really happy with this hidden hatch that we've made because it disguises what it actually is. To get into the pop top, you just push on this hidden hatch and the ceiling slats like this. The garage in this van houses the massive electrical setup that we've installed in this conversion. This is a gasless package, so we've had a big lithium battery from Roma, which is 460 amp hours, coupled that with the Victron Multi Plus 3 kilowatt inverter charger. I've got a couple of DC-DC chargers, so when you're driving your vehicle you're getting maximum charge from your alternator, and also we've got a 360 watt solar panel on the roof with a solar charged controller. The garage is also lined with a hard wearing rubber coin flooring, and there's a heat vent which runs from your boiler to keep the area nice and dry. To get the most bed length possible, we've put on these extendable pods to the outside of the van, and that makes a 190 width raised bed, which is really useful. One challenge we overcome is fitting an awning into this van with a pop top. So we have another video which we'll link to in the description, so make sure you check that out if you want to put a pop top and an awning on your conversion. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. Do like and subscribe to our channel for more van life content. See you next time.